Welcome to Beat in a Bowl. Today we're going to be making apple citrus salad. These are the ingredients you'll need.
First, we're going to be preparing our orange. So to do this, you're going to want to peel your orange and then divide it into segments. With these segments, you can try to tear off the membrane of the orange so that you're really just getting the juicy part, but this does take a lot of time and can be really hard to do. So we ended up near the end just dividing it into pieces and throwing it into the salad.
Up next, we're going to be spiralizing our Granny Smith apple. To do this, you're going to add it to your spiralizer and make sure it's centered on the core so that you're not spiralizing the core of the apple and just the outside part of it. After your Granny Smith apple is all spiralized, begin spiralizing your Gala Apple. Do the same that you did with the Granny Smith apple, just now with your Gala Apple.
Once your oranges and apples are prepared, you're going to start to make your dressing. This will be 6 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 to 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, the juice of half an orange, so you could save an orange from earlier. Add 2 teaspoons of honey and then stir together.
After your dressing is well combined, pour it over your spiralized apple and orange slices. Mix that bad boy up until it is well coated in the dressing.
Once your salad is nicely coated in the dressing, you're going to add your toppings. First, you want to add half a cup of dried cranberries, then you're going to add a 1/4 cup of sunflower seeds.
Stir it up so it is all well mixed together. Enjoy your apple citrus salad.
Want more videos? Be sure to like this video and subscribe to Beat in a Bowl.